Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Name. If you love construction and are always looking for great tips to upgrade your skills, then this is the video for you. Today we're going to explore some amazing construction tips and tricks, helping your projects become more durable, time-efficient, and cost-effective. Are you ready? Let's get started. Fire. This man is so fast that the homeowner will be moving in by tonight. Wow, this man is incredibly skilled. He chops wood quickly and precisely. Let's try building a house with foam. It's unimaginable for any apartment to be without a foam coating for ideal insulation. Oh, this man paints the house so professionally. Inspect your floor, it will never move again. You can save a lot of money on expensive paper simply by buying more cling wrap. But what we can do is build a shelter made of pallets. Have you thought about a safe for your valuables? We found the perfect hidden spot behind your bathroom tiles. This guy is cutting this metal barrel to make a mini fire stove. It's very simple to remove a fallen tree and turn it into logs. This builder is like a painter, but his pictures actually turn into real walls. Did you know that there are 101 ways to use an empty metal barrel, including turning it into an outdoor sink? Surely it will become a practical decoration for your backyard. Thinking about throwing away your old tire? Remember, it can be used to build an eco-friendly shelter. This couple is truly skilled at creating fake stones that look just like real ones. Wow, that's incredible. Got old tires? Don't throw them away. Turn them into something amazing. Why wear yourself out and waste time bending over bricks when you can do it like this worker? If you happen to be building a terrace for Thor, here's an idea for flooring. When I say a hardworking person can do anything, I mean creating a stone pathway without any stones. Here we have the fastest way to install underfloor heating. Spraying insulation foam really looks like creating tiny clouds that start growing in turbo mode. Without wrecking your nerves. If you believe a black square is a masterpiece, then what would you say about this stunning artwork? This guy has the ultimate trick. Banish them for good. Have you ever seen anything smoother than this? The decorative element may be young, but this builder is a true master of his craft. If you're missing measuring tools, just follow this guy's guide. The fastest and most precise check and an extremely efficient way to drill holes for installing sprinklers. You don't need to carry a bunch of keys when you can always find an old coin in your pocket. Are you tired of gathering your tools every time you finish fixing something? It's time to grab 2 PVC pipes and build this awesome tool holder. New Balance from Nike and Adidas? No, I just want these 2 buckets to protect my feet, literally from everything. Oh, there's even enough space to store my hammer. Watch how this professional roofer cuts the roof smoothly, using only his body weight. Smooth movement and the pipes are laid down. This is amazing. When you realize that baseboards can be installed in such a clever way, I've aged a decade today. Although it looks like this pencil just met Bender from Futurama, it's actually a useful DIY tool, perfect for marking in tight spaces. Look at this unique adhesive solution being used as a dowel. No more tangled wires thanks to this expert hack. If you're not planning to turn your sink into a mini pool, use a plastic bottle as a plunger to clear clogged pipes. Carpets can be made easier and lighter. Old staples can grip onto a chain, the perfect paint scraper. Use this easy jig to space and secure the boards evenly. Super satisfying! So, we've just explored some incredibly useful construction tips and tricks. Hopefully, these insights will help you enhance your skills and create even more impressive projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more exciting content. Do you have any cool building tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Blast off.